The GetResponse WordPress integration is very easy to implement, so that way you're going to be able to easily get your GetResponse web form right there on your WordPress site. So here we are in the WordPress dashboard or panel for your account. So first we want to download the GetResponse plugin. So we'll go to the plugin section and add new. Simply search for GetResponse. And here you see the GetResponse integration. So let's install it now. So it's been installed, so now we need to activate it. And here we are on our plugins. So we've activated, but now we need to edit the settings. And it's going to ask you for your GetResponse API key. So you'll go into your GetResponse account and go to My Account, Account Details, and then GetResponse API. Copy the API and paste it here and click Save. And then you have some other settings that you can choose to enable within this plugin. Of course, subscribe via a web form is the most common and kind of what we're going to show here in this video. And we'll do that on the widgets site in just a second. And you can also enable the option to subscribe via comment from one of your blog posts, turning that on or off. And also subscribe via checkout page. You can turn that on and off as well if that is some feature that you have on your site. And there is additionally a web form shortcode. Using this shortcode that you see here an example of is how you could, for example, put a sign-up form on one of your specific posts. So this is going to be, the general plugin allows for you to have an actual sign-up form, a web form on your page itself. But the shortcode allows for individual sign-up forms to also be within your posts as well, wherever you enter the shortcode. So that's totally up to you. So we're just going to go with the general get a web form on our page. So we've activated it with the API key. Now we want to go to Appearance, Widgets, and here we need to move the GetResponse web form widget into one of our desired sections of our site. The primary sidebar on the left, the content sidebar, or the footer. So you could simply put the form wherever you would like. So just for this example, I'm going to drag it to the content sidebar. And then via the API key, we have been, we'll be able to see all the different web forms that we have within our account and be able to choose from them which one we want to add to this WordPress page. So we'll find the one that I created for this. Quite a few. WordPress sign-up form. Click Save. And now let's take a look at what it would look like on your page. So there's an example of one you could see here. And if we wanted to see some other options we have, we could go back. And let's say we also want to see what it looks like on the primary sidebar. So we can drag it there. And maybe we'll choose, and this is just as an example, okay? So you don't have to worry that this is exactly how it would look, because you, of course, can design your web forms to look exactly how you want them to look. Maybe we'll put this one here and change the content sidebar. There's two here, so I might delete one and edit this one to be this one. So let's just save these and look again, just to show you what it would look like if you had two forms, for example. So there you see. This is the primary sidebar and this is your content sidebar. So it's totally up to you. So that one looks actually pretty nice. So we can go back to the widgets. Delete this one. And there, that looks pretty nice. That matches our theme. So that's an example of what you could do. And the settings, for example, the opt-in settings and how this web form is actually appearing is simply based on exactly what is in your account. So your settings is based on the settings you have here in this web form. So this is the second form I created that I have over here. So it's got double opt-in or confirmed opt-in on. So if you don't want that, you can easily change that. The thank you page settings, so the page that the subscriber would see after filling out this form, is simply what is set here. And you don't have to do anything. Once you make a change over here within your account, let's do kind of a visual change, just as an example. So let me just edit this so we can see. So there, just a little difference. Let's apply it. Save it. Go back here, refresh our page, and there you can see the changes. So it's super easy, it's automatic, that's all you're gonna need to do. So it's very easy to get a sign-up form working properly and looking great on your web form and in your WordPress site simply by using the very easy Get Response plugin.